Energy storage is really the catalyst to a renewable energy society. What energy storage does, it time decouples generation from usage. Why is that so important, you ask? Well, renewables, unfortunately, they're not scheduled, right? We're not turning on a nuclear power plant or not turning on a coal-fired power plant. They come when the wind is blowing and when the sun is shining, or when the water is flowing, or wave action is coming in, or you know what we're talking about. So they're very intermittent. And energy storage allows us to store this energy and shift the generation to when we need it really the most. So the key element here, really what makes this exciting for me, is that you have an opportunity where you're going to have a tremendous amount of capacity that's going to come online in the near future. You're really looking at amount of capacity that's going to be manufactured, and that's why I see the convergence of transportation and energy coming together, is where we have vehicles on the road that match an unrivaled capacity of energy storage and energy storage probabilities that we can leverage in the future in a sustainable economy. If you think 8 years from now, when all these electric vehicles, and I told you already the numbers that we were talking about last year from Tesla, Chevy, us in plug-in hybrids, and other car companies, Nissan, these batteries are all going to come back onto the market in about 8 years, latest. And we can use them at that point at a very, very low cost. I really think that 4 or 5 years from now, latest, we're not going to see new batteries in any energy storage applications anymore. We're going to see them all coming back out of the vehicles, being implemented in energy storage systems, and at some point in the near future, we'll have a cost of energy storage so low that will even allow us to do seasonal storage. The electrification of transportation is one of the key elements that we need to take a look at, because it has so much more impact on all the other elements that we're looking at, also from a sustainable economy, on energy, renewable energies, and improving that percentage on the grid. You need to search out the people in your neighborhood, your friends, that are still doubting that this is possible, and you need to convince them that these are the key elements for us to move forward. Because we don't need to talk to each other, we all know it. Let's make sure that if each of you grabs out one more person, convinces them that this is the future, and they should take a look at electric vehicles, renewable energies, and as electric vehicles are pushing into the market, the rest will follow.